midfield. But Mascherano sees it otherwise.
Oh, bounces right to Messi. Here he comes. Messi! Too well. You can't give him a chance. He'll always take the chance. He'll always take the moment. Lionel Messi gives Inter Miami the lead. 10 minutes in. To threaten for any meaningful possession as Zimmerman misses it. Sylvani leaves it.